Thank you.
Artlist.io.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a bite of me.
What's Kai up to?
Taking the seat off. So we can put this battery on there.
I don't know why you just don't tape it on.
Because it's too heavy. Too heavy. You hit one bump, it's gonna fall off.
No, you just wrap it around the rear fender like 100 times.
But then you lose lights. No wire left.
Yeah, you just start there and then wrap it around.
Where'd you get these?
Maybe tire.
Why?
Maybe tire special.
Thought you were a dollar store guy.
Check the dollar store, there was nothing.
These are sick.
What are we doing, Brad?
Taping the lights on there, then we're gonna go rip the pictures in the dark.
There's in that ditch over there.
And we actually brought a professional rider today. It's Jay Weebs.
Oh yeah.
He actually races dirt bikes for a living.
For a living. Money.
He's
He's
basically.
Pop up a picture of him with his trophies from the class.
Yeah, we will. We will. Brad will edit that in.
It's not.
Yeah, it's.
Did you do the other side?
Yes.
Count. No, you didn't.
This guy.
Yeah, facts.
Are you going the right way?
Yes.
I would hope so.
It might be stripped.
Yeah, it's probably stripped on the inside. I'm guessing. Just put it right here and run it out 100 times around.
Wait, I have an idea. Wait.
No, but just put it right like that and then tape it around a bunch.
Yeah. It's not gonna rip.
And look, your lights only start. Your lights only start right there. You're gonna have plenty of. Yeah, it's perfect. It's like
Get the tuck tape out.
it's like turbos.
That
Or
stuff is gonna hold it off.
Tuck tape's gonna tear in the cold. See, that's a real bike over there.
At least we don't have Suzuki.
Get out of here.
Well, Farm Fork. It is never coming off. This stuff is so sticky.
Hopefully it stains his bike real good too.
What?
Yeah, hold it on. Tape her off.
Not that fancy.
There's no way that won't work.
Oh, that's stripped on.
Yep. That's never gonna fall off unless your ass hits that.
Like along
Yeah,
here.
that's what I'm saying.
And then come just back and forth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me just do the both sides like that.
Just put it through the hole there. Okay. Put it through that hole above the C. This is real hard.
Like here?
Yeah, and then put it through this hole. And it holds it up.
Sucks.
And you'll easy have enough to get back over here.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Yeah.
I think you use the tuck tape again.
No, that's good. That's not going anywhere.
Yeah, you're right.
As long as you don't like,
Weebs, is your bike fuel injected?
you think
Yeah.
like here?
Acid bogs so much.
His bike low-key is more clap than mine.
How?
Oh, 100%.
The tire makes up for the clapness. It's so fancy.
See, you don't see all the tape on mine.
Exactly.
You don't, in the dark, you
now
won't
I
see the
have to
bike
turn
at
it.
all.
That's gonna look pretty sick.
Jay Weep, run yours like this.
That's gonna be
Loosen
sweet.
them, and then run them like this.
You can't really loosen them right
That's gonna look sweet.
now. Just tape them like this.
Yeah.
Hey, you're gonna run out of battery.
Yep, better turn them off.
Hold it in.
Before we go, I'm gonna have to take my seat off and turn my lights on.
Nice.
Mint.
I'm just keeping my seat off for now.
Where's the pump? Where's the pump?
Jay Weeb's full gas.
Where's the pump?
It'll be on the floor somewhere.
Real helpful. We'll go help Brad. Oh. Summer content waiting for us over there.
Stay tuned for a wake surf boat video.
Yep. What was that, Brad?
Stay tuned for a wake surf boat videos.
Yep. We're gonna make that little guy over there rip lots.
Second row from that side.
That's what you do when can't afford gas.
Take daddy's gas.
There we go.
Oh, it has a hole.
Nice.
Frick.
Someone get a lighter. Actually, I have one in my pocket.
Oh.
Would be a shame if I lit this right now.
Oh my goodness.
There is more fuel on the floor than there is.
So this
going
one's
through
shot. I'm just gonna throw it in the garbage.
that. Imagine being so lazy.
How much money do I light it?
Do it right now. No
You
balls.
won't?
No balls.
No,
won't?
it ain't my
I'll
shop.
back up the side by side. We'll do it right now.
No, I'm gonna get in trouble.
It's just concrete. What's gonna happen?
Somehow I'll light the whole building up.
Somehow Dylan's lucky. The whole building.
Yeah,
will be
exactly.
together.
Then Elmer's will burn. Yeah.
Then Dylan's gonna have a lawsuit to handle.
Yep.
Somehow Dylan's gonna manage water to catch on fire.
Hey, but I'll be famous somehow.
Yeah.
Brad, do that again. Yep. It's alright. Jay Weeds is a light guy.
Good thing Jaylee's a little guy.
It's worse than Darbs' bike.
Yeah, she likes to say.
I like the wide the bars though.
Yeah.
So much better. There you turn in your hand with your knees.
Yep.
Time to go outside or what?
Hey boys, let's rip up the creek.
Like, oh, and like the grass there.
Hey. Not the freshie, no.
There goes half my sand tire.
No, not the freshie.
Guys don't know how to do street really nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Your lights are already dangling.
Oh!
That side's dead already?
No! I hit the off button. Oh, my bike stalled.
Did they turn?
Uh-oh.
Did they quit?
Good thing you brought batteries. Okay, I'm gonna put my bike in the shop for 1 second, see if the battery will warm up.
What? The battery shouldn't be cold yet. You just got it out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I wanna retake this stuff.
Okay.
Oh! I was in second gear!
Artlist.io.
We're probably fine. Did you get a thumbnail picture?
Something like that.
Oh shit! Oh,
I feel like that's good. That's pretty good amount of hits.
What's cracking?
Stuff.
Nice one, Brad. It's deeper in the middle.
Kai, don't go that way.
Left.
Kai, go.
well, that's like 3 inches.
this?
I don't know, man.
Can you go?
I know he's standing on the thinnest part.
Go into the middle. Go into the middle. It'll be thicker there. Are you going?
On the thinnest part.
Weaver, are you going?
Dad, let's film the middle one.
Okay, Dylan, turn that off. Just wait. Okay. Now turn it off, Dylan.
Nice boots, right? Shit.
What conditions your bike in, Darby?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
we'll have a nice creek to ride through. I think we're gonna do jumps over top like this. And we can ride underneath the jumps. What am I supposed to do with that? Let's see you do it. You got the Apollo. Don't hit it with too much speed. Arvin, I told you about this one. Never. Are you crazy? Are you gonna give up yet? There's barbed wire there. Where? Right there. He almost ate it. That front's pretty cool. Can't do it. I don't think Dylan has the bike or the build for that one. I don't know.
That looked like a struggle in there, Farm Ford.
It was. I feel it again. You got the front? Sounds like you got it. Ooh. Oh, it's not. This is stuff. Stupid dip feel. Oh, you're such a big, strong boy. You should go no straps. How's that working there?
It's working good. So I need a bigger truck.
From eating it?
Nice pipe.
Oh yeah.
That sure is one handle.
Hey, it works. It works.
Smart guy.
Whoa, that's a little. We want some handle room to hold on.
That
no?
is so much handle room.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah. We've got that.
Just go on the steep ditch. Drive on the concrete. We'll go on the steep ditch. That'll be more entertaining. That's tight. I'm not that bad.
Got enough bikes in there.
Whoa! Careful. We don't want to break the suspension now, honey.
All right.
Power started not working.
This might be our dumbest.
Say hi, Darby.
This might be our dumbest idea yet.
That car's coming pretty good. It's not gonna move! Just tell off in there, the car right there. Body surfing!
Pull up. Just pull up.